Below is a practical, installation-based explanation of how to protect against each common electrical fault. 1. Short circuit fault protection. What happens? Live and neutral, or live touch, gives very high current, gives sparks, fire, breaker trips. Protection devices. MCB, miniature circuit breaker, MCCB for large installations, and HRC fuse. Real installation example. In a socket circuit of a house, use MCB16A or 20A, type B or C. If live wire touches neutral inside a socket, the MCB trips instantly. Best practice are: correct cable size, 2.5 square millimeters for sockets, and tight terminals. Loose wires cause short circuits. 2. Overload fault protection. What happens? Too many appliances on one circuit gives current exceeds cable rating, gives cable heats. Protection devices are MCB, thermal trip, MCCB, and thermal overload relay for motors. Real installation example: one socket circuit powering. Heater, iron a microwave. Current exceeds 20 amperes and MCB trips after a short delay. Best practice: separate high power loads and correct MCB rating, not oversizing. 3. Open circuit fault protection. What happens? Broken wire, loose terminal gives no current, gives equipment stops working. Open circuits do not cause high current, so breakers won't trip. Protection or detection methods: continuity testing using multimeter, proper termination in cable joints, and cable protection conduits. Real installation example. A light doesn't turn on, neutral wire loose in junction box, and tester shows live present but no return path. Best practice: use terminal blocks, avoid twisting wires, and periodic inspection. 4. Arc fault protection. What happens? Sparking due to loose connections, damaged cables, and old switches. Causes fire without short circuit are protection device used for protection. AFDD, arc fault detection device. Real installation example: in a wooden ceiling house. Loose socket terminal creates arcs. No MCB trip. AFDD detects abnormal waveform, gives cut supply. Where AFDD is recommended: bedrooms, wooden buildings, data centers, schools, and hospitals. 5. Insulation fault protection. What happens? Damaged insulation gives live wire touches metal or another conductor. Protection devices: RCD, RCCB, ELCB. Insulation resistance, IR. Testing. Real installation example. Water heater cable insulation damaged. Current leaks to metal body. RCD detects imbalance and trips. Best practice: megatest is greater than or equal to 1 meter ohms. Use PVC, XLPE insulated cables. Avoid moisture exposure. 6. Ground, earth fault protection. What happens? Live wire touches metal body, gives current flows to earth, gives shock risk. Protection devices: RCD, RCCB. 30 milliamperes for humans. Proper earthing system. Earth leakage relay, industrial. Real installation example: metal fridge body becomes live. Earth wire carries fault current. RCD trips in 30 milliseconds. User is protected from shock. Best practice: earth resistance less than 5 ohms in domestic installation. Separate earth electrode, green-yellow earth conductor.